Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. EDT Tuesday. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where portions of northern Connecticut, including the following areas: Hartford CT, Tolland CT and Windham CT. Portions of Massachusetts, including the following areas: Central Middlesex MA, Eastern Essex MA, Eastern Hampden MA, Eastern Norfolk MA, Eastern Plymouth MA, Northern Bristol MA, Northern Middlesex MA, Northern Worcester MA, Southeast Middlesex MA, Southern Bristol MA, Southern Plymouth MA, Southern Worcester MA, Suffolk MA, Western Essex MA, Western Norfolk MA and Western Plymouth MA. Portions of Rhode Island, including the following areas: Bristol RI, Eastern Kent RI, Newport RI, Northwest Providence RI, Southeast Providence RI, Washington RI and Western Kent RI. When? Until 2 a.m. EDT Tuesday. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas.